when you're looking at helmets, there have been a couple studies that have done kind of head-to-head comparison analysis of various helmets in both football and hockey. And some of them have shown that this helmet is better than that helmet, and this helmet is better than that helmet, and whatever, okay? But on the other hand, there have been other studies that have shown absolutely no difference. So the evidence on this is mixed. So some studies show some differences, some studies show no differences at all. When you look at the bulk of evidence together, what we can safely conclude is that helmets do not prevent concussion injuries. Helmets are designed to prevent skull fractures. So when you have a direct focal impact to the skull, let's say of a baseball or a hockey puck or a fist, if the helmet is on the outside of the skull, that force hits the helmet and dissipates outwards so that the trauma to the actual head is less focal, it's more diffuse, which means it spreads that force out over a larger surface area, which can prevent the skull from cracking underneath. If that same force were to hit in a small area, like with a hockey puck or a baseball, you risk cracking the skull. So the helmet itself is protective for skull fractures. That's what it's designed to do. But even as that force dissipates outwards, you're still going to have the same acceleration momentum force that's going to move your head back and forth, that's going to cause the brain inside the skull to shift with it. So that's why helmets can't prevent concussion injuries, at least the ones we have currently.